morning, everyone. Mark here again. Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm a driver with Chief Express in North Carolina, so welcome. And today, on this very chilly morning, we find ourselves in Corbin, Kentucky. We're about 3 miles from our destination here. This is going to be another fun one to get into because you got to back in off the street, and the street's a little busy, but we're going to get it done. Going to go down here to Highway 25 and go north, and then it'll be up on the right. So anyway, all right, what in the world are you doing? He just stuck out there in the middle of the road. Anyway, I mentioned last week that my truck had to go into the shop yesterday to fix this instrument cluster because it had cracks, four cracks on it. And they also had to straighten out my steering wheel because it was pointing that way, and it should be pointing this way. So I told my dispatcher about it, and the shop told me that they would need pretty much the whole day because once they get it in, they got to program it and do all that fancy gadget stuff. And so I told my dispatcher that, and he's like, well, just go ahead and take Monday off. So I said, okay. So I had a bunch of stuff planned, you know, stuff that you can't get done on a weekend. Places I had to go to that aren't open on the weekend. So I had the whole day planned, and sure enough, about 10:30, he sends me a text wanting to know if I want to go to either Corbin, Kentucky or Atlanta. And I thought that I'd be, you know, picking up either one of those loads on Tuesday and dropping it Wednesday morning. So I said, well, just give me the Corbin. And then didn't pay no attention to it. And about an hour later, I get to looking at it and seeing that it picked up on Monday, delivered Tuesday. So I'm like, hold up, wait a minute now. So I asked him, I'm like, is this picking up Monday? And he's like, yeah. I said, well, I'm not supposed to have Monday off. And apparently he didn't get that text because he didn't respond to me. That's a little game dispatchers like to play. They pretend like they didn't hear you, or they didn't get that text, or, you know, something like that. So I told him, I said, well, you know, I can't get there till get to the yard until 5 o'clock this evening. Is there any way I can deliver that Wednesday? They said, no, it has to be delivered Tuesday. So I had to get everything done as quickly as possible. Still didn't get what I needed to get done, but finally left the house at about 3 p.m. Got to the yard and got the truck, got the empty trailer, left out of there about 5, and then had to go to North Wilkesboro to pick up this load. And ran all night. Well, I ran until I got tired. I was going to try to make it up here last night, but about 11 o'clock, I got super tired, so I was forced to pull over. And stopped on the east side of Knoxville at a little small fuel stop. Not really a truck stop, but they had about 15 parking spots. So I snagged one. And I ended up having to do an 8-2 split. I could have done a 10-hour break there, but I don't know what my backhaul is, and I don't want to be late for it, so I figured it'd be better just to do an 8-2 split because I'll probably be sitting here for pretty close to 2 hours. So I did an 8-hour sleeper berth last night, and then got up, came up here. I'm hoping I can get my 2-hour break in here, and then my clock will be good, and then I can, you know, go wherever I need to for my backhaul, which again, I don't know where it is yet. See, this place is pretty easy to miss. And I got one car behind me. So there is a small shoulder I can pull over to, and then once traffic gets by, I gotta pull out into the street and back into this place. They don't have a dock. They'll unload it from the ground, but I got to get backed around to where their storage facility is. Alright, we're 3/10 of a mile away, I think, yeah. And they share this property with another tenant, so you got all of their stuff in the way as well. Yeah, tri-county panels. So you got to pull off over here. There's somebody coming. Y'all just gonna have to wait, because I gotta back in. Don't you do it! Get out of the way. God almighty. As soon as you try to get backed into a hole, somebody got to come right there and get right behind you. Yeah, not too bad. Just traffic is the main problem, but I'm gonna go talk to these cats and get checked in here. Oh, that sun is bright. Alright, good morning. Today we are in Greensboro. So after, let's see, where were we at? In Kentucky, right? Yeah, Corbin, Kentucky. I had to leave there and go down to Venor, Tennessee to pick up this load that I got now, but I was on such a time crunch I didn't really bother to film anything. Didn't get out of Kentucky until like 10:35, I think it was, and then had to go to Venor, which is like southwest of Knoxville. I think it was around 135 miles, and I had to be there by 1 o'clock. So I drove my butt off. I hope y'all can see with that sun, but I drove my butt off to get down there and made it with 4 minutes to spare. I got there at 12:56, and of course I spent 3 hours there trying to get loaded, and that has made me late getting here. I had to be here at 8 o'clock, and it's 8 o'clock now, and I'm still a few miles away, so I'm gonna be 5 minutes late getting to this place. So hopefully they don't hold that against me, and they'll go ahead and put me at a door and get me unloaded. We're gonna hope and pray anyway. Usually places like this where they got these strict appointment times. Oh no, driver, you're 5 minutes late. We gotta put you at the back of the line. Yeah, okay. Wouldn't surprise me if that happens. Oh, traffic. Morning rush hour traffic. left. Yeah, right here. Okay. It's not too far away, but traffic and traffic lights is gonna make me late. This is some kind of a pharmaceutical load here. I mean, it's not drugs or anything, but you know, probably like surgical gloves or something like that. It's a light load. It's only like, I don't think it was 10,000 pounds. Let's see, I got to turn left up here somewhere. Yeah, very light load. Looking for Kroger Boulevard. Oh, it's that sun go away. It should be this one. Kroger Boulevard. Going to Cardinal Health. And sometimes these kind of places aren't too, you know, driver friendly. I should be making a right on Merithi Court. Here. Okay, now where? It should be at the, okay, it should be the end of this road. Let's see. Oh, that's about it. Yeah, here we are. I think this is it. Well, I don't see no signs, but Google says this is it. Okay, they got a little call box here, so let me jump off of here right quick and check into this place. Alright, so we are done and out of here. Hope this gate is automatic. Let's see. It's the only way out. Yeah, there we go. Get YouTube off the phone so people don't think I'm watching YouTube while I'm driving. Alright, so yeah, that actually didn't take too long. Not even an hour. I expected it to be longer than that. Holy crap. Good Lord. That's a hell of a bump. Yeah, I expected it to be longer than that, with the number of trucks that were in there. And having been to places like this before, I expected maybe a 2-hour wait. But they actually got me done in just under an hour. Let me, Yeah, they didn't give me another load assignment. Well, they did, but it's the load that I just did. So apparently there's something wrong with the tablet here. Yeah, see, I got Venor to Greensboro. That's the one I just completed. Sometimes this tablet gets a brain fart.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on Stanley Road.
If anything, they'll probably just want me to stop in Asheboro and you know, pick up something and bring it back to the yard. That won't take but 20 minutes to pop in there, grab a load of cereal,
1/4 mile, turn right on Stanley Road.
bring it back to the yard for another driver to run out over the weekend or next Monday or whatever. So I think I'm just gonna go back the way I came in here.
Turn right at the traffic light.
I think.
1/2 mile, turn right on West Wendover Avenue, then exit
yeah.
right.
Just going back the same way I came in. Okay, well, I'm sure they'll call me here in a minute. Alright, folks. So yeah, we got out of Greensboro there just under an hour, which I couldn't believe. But they asked me to go down to Asheboro and pick up a load of cereal and then bring it back to the yard. So that only took a few extra minutes. Asheboro was on the way. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and jump off of here. I think this should be a fairly short video to make up for the last video, which was a little bit too long. But just want to say happy Turkey Day to everybody. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I will see y'all, well, I guess it'll be after Turkey Day, so probably next Monday or Tuesday. So I will see you there.